The meditation for today's practice is to unlock the mind. In your comfortable seated position, could be on the ground, could be on a chair, could be on the sofa, bring your hands up and touch the thumb, index finger, middle finger, and ring finger together. Keep the baby fingers, pinky fingers apart until you create an O shape with your hands. So soften a little bit until you create this O-shaped, this portal inside of your hand position. And from here, inhale through the nose, exhale mouth. Inhale mouth, exhale nose. Go ahead at your own pace, inhaling and exhaling through the nose and then the mouth. This is a way of bringing in fresh prana energy. And as you breathe and you slow down the breath, we start to unlock the mind. In other words, when our breathing is shallow and unfocused, we have habits that we repeat. When we start to slow down the breath, different ideas come into mind. Different options become available. Whatever comes up here now becomes a really good practice for all that your day is about to offer to you. And notice how your breath can be a little bit longer now. And know this, as we create this longer breath, we create safety. Safety against our reactions, safety for the people around us. Our calmness, our focus is a gift to all of them as well. Last 2 rounds of breath. Good. Inhale very deeply. And exhale completely. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Close your eyes. We finish off our practice now with a long Sat short Nam. Inhale. Sa.